What's happening? What's happening?
Where are you going? Where are you sit down? Sit there.
Tema kwa tamba. Mukola chimu. Tema nchi bala tema mbele bla. Wacha mbele wa.
Musonyiwe.
One line, one single line.
Single file.
One single line on the vehicle. One single line on the car. Someone see.
Mukawansi tabaka gapi.
Wait, the book was first son.
In the line,
Linye motoka.
Come.
Linye motoka. Toduka.
Come. You guys come.
Move. On the car. You make
Now
it
pick up.
running.
Pick up.
You sit on the pickup.
Pick up.
Start the work. Motoka.
Jangan itu.
Itau. Put the seal. Muitawa wala. Kalau.
Semuanya. Bukan.
I say you make sure people are outside.
They have another outlet.
Hey, they are saying get out. Wanasema mtoke mnakaa kukaa tu.
Muna kwa muita. Kama. Boguna popa. Ate wan.
Sio kama
Ndio pita mna mkien.
ndio kwanza kama atawala. Bapo.
Mujja kuitire mabega. Jakuwa naona twagenda kugalau. Mujja kuita musta.
Naboi baba kwenda kumata kumali.
Serial number.
It's 19?
19?
19 to... Bazani?
Yes.
It is 13?
13?
4-1?
2-1.
4-1. 2-3.
He doesn't want to listen. Don't you understand what's supposed to be the back?
Just keep his wife. Be calm. Be calm. No, I'm not there. Be calm. Why do you give me violence about this? Why do you even touch me?
Say, come.
Where's your sugar down? Simple. I don't want to argue with you. Are we done?
Yeah.
Yes. Your things, you break the seal, prosecution straight out. You don't have time to waste.
Okay. You bet. What are you doing?
Yes, no problem.
Since zinatumana.
Sijatumana.
Zinatumana nga tugenda ku Central Division. There are many there.
Around.
I say, Copper Gundi number, serial number.
Tell him we don't want to open here. Simple? Yes. All bars we are closed. Transaction directive. That is it's too late. They'll first come to office and then that's when we shall open to them. Okay? This is the bar, it's mango something. Just come for us.
So please don't come.
Just put a seal.
Open, Open with it.
Just put a seal and you go. Because it's not a home.
Open with just 1 minute.
That's the good one.
This is the inside? Yeah. We see the press.
Thank you. Should we talk to you? Yeah. Oh.
Can you take off that light? Because I have a light problem.
Break it. Yeah, but the directives were clear. The directives were clear.
Not up here.
This is 1937.
Break the seal and feel the weight of KCCA.
Don't jump on the seal.
We are done with this.
Come. Zay. Oh.
Where's your kiss?
You
know? Look.
Only feeling Mugamba jet. Right.
Hi, you can hello. Oh no, I don't know which clothes. I'm guest. I come from Liverpool. I don't know which clothes.
here in Uganda we're not supposed to be in the bus.
Okay.
So you don't know that the president closed the bus?
No, I don't know still. You have taken a video?
No?
No.
I'm capturing. Human, come. Come and get your food. The cells is for beginning. The cells is what? You're joking. Go and move. I don't want to talk about sorry here. Mukio tukielewa na. Bring that man. Capture him from the toilet. That's capture him.
Come on.
They are going to close. Where are you going? Give me them. Madam, go and close. Go and switch off your fridges. Switch off everything and get out. Where are you going? Switch off everything and get out.
I'll feel about
You guys, you like this. Pay this man. Where is this man's man?
Huh?
You pay this man.
Pay this man. Don't go.
It's 19? 19?
What's this one? What's up, quality one?
Okay. Suma sigalo. Mwe. Ewa hiyo kwa.
Wewe.
Check that caveira.
Check that one.
Cigarette.
Yeah.
Where is the man deployed? Wacha mubela wewe mule kabana mwa mule kabana mwa kapesikia
You see this one. Capture this one.
Oh my God.
Mustamao kumwenda kimla au kutubagala wewe mkazo wa msoka
No, Muka.
How about you? Listen to me.
Get out! I said get out.
Apan, why are you here?
I'm good DJ.
Why are you here this time?
No, Fuluma. What's up? I know you are to them counter. I said, why don't get them to wait, no, no. What do you want to say?
Don't you mean who are you? You must have picked up women. I'm going to go. Don't you mean why stupid ideas? Who are you? You must have picked up one of them. You must say, one of the community. I can't see. I just saw is stupid. One, what was that idea? What the police over? I don't care. Sit down, I say. I don't care. You must someone by force. Who are you? Why do you want to get put him down by force. Can we know Mega? Can we know Mega? Who are you? Show me you. Let him sit down. Can we know Mega? You're explaining. Stupid. On parle d'abord, on va le musical vers la musical.
At end result. Because this is Uganda. Uganda had never see such a situation. So a law is a law. We are all under law. But excuse us. Whatever, and some of the people we have not yet even known, especially here, some of them know the situation. But how shall we do? In the village, they have not, it's a law.
Are you aware of coronavirus? Are you aware of coronavirus?
You know coronavirus? No. But I shall become on knowing it Slowly, slowly.
Around the city, and as KCCA being the custodians of the city, we are implementing the presidential directive on closure of bars in order to minimize the spread of coronavirus in Kampala city.
As you moved around, what do you think was the main problem?
People had not yet appreciated the reason why they should be at home, and if these bars, they have failed to appreciate that transmission of coronavirus between body contact. So they continued being in bars, packed and closed into the bars, and increasing actually the chances of the spread of the virus. So today we had to make sure that we help them to appreciate that corona is a disease that kills. So they have to be at home at least for the 30 days that we are given by the president.
And then I've seen you put seals.
We are putting seals in order to prevent people from not accessing that facility again. Because it's common in the city, when you just go and talk to people, they will go away, but at the same time they will come back. So it's an initiative to see that we block people from totally not coming back to their facilities, and we shall remove the facilities after the 30 days.
And in case someone breaks off the seal, what will you do?
Actually, today has been just a warning to these people that they should leave these facilities and go home. But the next time will come, if someone has broken a seal, we will face the law. We shall arrest the proprietor or the manager of that facility and take that person to court, and that person will be charged. At the same time, if we find people on the other days in bars, we shall arrest the proprietor, the manager, and even the people who are drinking in the bars, and charge them in court for defying the presidential directive on closure or banning of bars in the city.
So meaning from tomorrow you're going to be...
From tomorrow we are going to continue with operations, and we are going to be conducting these operations impromptu in different areas of the city where we have jurisdictions, so that we ensure that people comply to the presidential directive on banning of bars in the city.
So you're trying to mean that from tomorrow you're going to be arresting even the people drinking in the bars?
Exactly.
So can you put it out clearly that one?
Starting tomorrow, today has been a warning call where we are just sitting off the facilities. But starting from tomorrow, if you find you seated in a bar enjoying, we shall arrest you and charge you in the courts of law. Starting tomorrow, we are going to be arresting from the proprietors of the bar facilities, the managers, and even the people that we find up drinking in those bars. And all will be charged in court for contravening the presidential directive that has banned opening of bars for the next 30 days. Actually, it is surprising that people have been compliant. We have not had any scuffle. Whenever you find people and advise them to leave the facilities, people have just appreciated and have accepted to leave the facilities. Twali tukola ekikwekweto nga tussa mu nkola etteeka omukulembeze w'eggwanga lyaffe lyayisizza eriyasabye abantu bonna okulaba nti amabaala tebagabeera mu kiseera kino nga twekuuma obulwadde bwa coronavirus. Era olunaku lwaleero tubadde tuli mu mulimu gw'okuggala amabaala ge tusanze nga magule nga galimu abantu. Enteekateeka eno yakuyamba abantu, tetubagobaamu kubamalako mirembe, wabula tubayamba okulaba nti tubayamba obulaba nti bawona okwessa mu mbeera eyinza obaleetera obuzibu oba okufuna coronavirus. Era tugenda mu maaso okumala ennaku 3 zonna nga tugenda kuba tukola ekikwekweto. Olunaku lwaleero tuyiseemu nga tuwoninga abantu basobole okulaba nti bava mu mabaala. N'okutandika ku nnaku eziddako omulimu gwe tugenda okuba nga tukola gwenda okuba nga butuukawo tujja kukwata nannyini bbaala, tujja kukwata maneja we, tujja kukwata ne be tunasangamu nga banywa omwenge. Bonna tubatwale mu kkooti bavunaanibwe omusango gw'okujeemera ekiragiro ky'omukulembeze w'eggwanga. Si tuziteekako kuyamba kubanga ekibuga kino kirimu obukodyo nti bwe mugobawo obugobya abantu ne mutasaako siiru abantu bakomawo ne baddamu ne banywa. Katusizzaako siiru kulaba nti abantu tubagobera ddala baleme okubeerawo. Era bwe zinaggwako ennaku 30 tujja kujja siiru tuziggyeko abantu abana batuukiza ebisaanyizo basobole okugulawo ebifo byabwe.